With matched betting, your money is never at risk, so let's explain how it works. Bookmakers will give you a free bet when you place a bet with your own money, and to do it without risk, you'll cover all outcomes using a betting exchange. You'll place two stakes, one at the bookmaker on a selection to win, and another on a betting exchange for the same selection to lose. This gets you a free bet which you'll use to make a guaranteed profit. Here's an example of how it is done. A bookmaker will give you a £30 free bet when you open an account and place a £10 bet. Our odds matching software will find the best betting opportunities to unlock your free bet. Click on a bet, and the integrated calculator will automatically work out the stakes to place on the betting exchange. This way, you end up with the same outcome regardless if the selection wins or loses. Place your £10 back stake with the bookmaker and place the amount you could lay on the betting exchange. If it wins, you'll win with the bookmaker and lose on the betting exchange. If it loses, you'll lose with the bookmaker and win on the exchange. In this example, you'll collect a £30 free bet for 30p regardless of the result. When it comes to using your free bet, use the odds matching software to find another betting opportunity and let the calculator know you are using a free bet. It will work out what you could lay on the betting exchange, so you make a similar profit no matter what the result. In this example, you'll make £25.93 if the selection wins, or £25.91 if it loses. That's just one example. Subscribe to Premium for access to hundreds of welcome offers and reload offers. Don't worry if you already have accounts with some of the bookmakers, you can still make a profit from matched betting. Do the trial to see why it's worth signing up to MatchedBets Premium. Step-by-step instructions explain how to do every offer. Video tutorials walk you through every step from registering to placing your bets with the bookmaker and betting exchange. Odds matching software finds the best bets in an instant. The integrated calculator helps maximize your profit. We have the best bet tracking in the industry. No need for spreadsheets to keep track of your profits. To get started, click Show Instructions on one of your free trial offers.